Most people think circumstances change first. They don't. You change first, and your reality follows your identity like a shadow. Today, we're breaking down the law of assumption in the simplest way possible so you can start using it today. Welcome to She's Always Manifesting. My name is Keysha LaShawn, and if you're into manifesting using the law of assumption, be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so when I upload a new video, you are notified. So here's the truth. Your brain listens to one thing more than anything else, your assumptions, not your wishes, not your goals, not your prayers. What you assume to be true becomes the internal instruction manual your identity follows. Most people try to change the world outside of them, but the world outside is just a mirror of what's going on inside. Your assumptions activate the psychology of identity. Your brain copies the version of you that you believe yourself to be. If you assume I struggle, your brain looks for ways to maintain struggle. If you assume I'm chosen, your brain looks for evidence that you're chosen. It's not magic, you guys. It's neural identity. So think about kids putting on a superhero cape. The second the cape is on, they act brave, okay? They don't think about it. They assume bravery and their behaviors follow. Adults do the same thing. Our capes are invisible. We call them assumptions. Most people want success, love, abundance, peace, but they assume the opposite. They desire wealth while assuming scarcity. They desire love while assuming rejection. They desire elevation while assuming nothing works out for them. That emotional conflict, you guys, blocks the manifestation at the identity level. The law of assumption solves that by asking one powerful question. Who would I be if I already had what I desire? If you were already wealthy, how would you walk into a room? How would you talk about money? How would you treat yourself? If you were already loved, how would your nervous system feel? How would you respond to messages? How would you carry your energy? These tiny identity micro shifts, you guys, create new emotions, new habits, new behaviors, and new outcomes. So here's how to apply the law right now. I want you to pick one desire, only one. Then I want you to assume it's already done, okay? Say to yourself, this is who I am now. Then let your behavior match the new identity. So if the version of you who already has it wouldn't stress, then don't stress. If she would speak up, then I want you to speak up. If she would invest in herself, I want you to invest in her, invest. If she would rest, then I want you to rest. The shift doesn't come from forcing reality. It comes from becoming the version of you who already received the thing, okay? So here's a controversial truth, you guys. Your desire is not the problem. Your self-concept is. But the moment you accept the identity of the woman who already has it, life rearranges itself, okay? It reorganizes itself to your new assumptions. Identity is the cause. Your reality is the effect. Now, if this video helped you guys, be sure to drop me a comment. Here's what I want you to do. In the comments, I want you to put shift in the comments. If you are becoming the woman, okay, that is able to manifest what she desires because she assumes to be true, then guys, put shift in the comments. All right. Now, be sure to subscribe. Okay. So click that subscribe button. Click the bell notification so when I upload a new video, you guys are notified. And if you want to actually reset your self-concept so you can manifest faster with this new assumption, then join the School of Invisible Income. Inside the school, you get access to my 7-day self-concept reset so you can rewire your beliefs and finally become the woman who receives with ease. I'll put a link in the description box for you to grab that today, and I'll see you guys on my next video.